What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching. So in my previous video, I did mention that my next 4 to 5 videos were going to be just related on my Mark 6 TDI Sportwagen. So I'm going to stay true to that. And I did take some video recommendations from some friends and some DMs that I've gotten on social media. So today, I'm going to be doing what I had done with my Mini Cooper, I think it was about a year ago now, on the 5 things that I love and 5 things that I hate about this car. Now, it's going to be a little different this time. I'm not going to just limit it to 5 things. I'm just going to go over, in this video, just the things that I absolutely love about this car. It could be 5 at the end. I mean, it could be 6 or 7. It could be 4. Like, I'm just going to, whatever comes to my mind that I know I absolutely love about this car, I'm going to talk about. And then in the next video, it's going to be the same thing, but it's going to be what I hate about the car. So stay tuned for that. The video should be dropping a couple of days after you guys watch this one. But that's going to be about the things that I hate about this car. And like I said, it's not going to be limited to 5. It could be a little less or it could be a little more. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the things that I love about this car. I'm going to go over everything from, you know, personal to engine related, possibly to interior to exterior, all that kind of stuff. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's interesting. Let's see what you guys have to hear about it. Let me know what you think. Let me know the things that you love about your TDI. It doesn't have to be a Sportwagen. It can be any kind of TDI. What you love about it, what you hate about it. So anyways, let's get right into the video. All right, guys. So the first thing that I absolutely love about this car, and it's something that I rave about all the time, something that I'm always talking about, is the fuel mileage on this car. It's to die for. I swear, it's amazing. If you drive these cars properly, maintain them right, you are going to get anywhere from 500 to 600 miles on a completely stock TDI. Now, if you tune it and then go the extra step in deleting it, you'll probably see 650 to 700 miles on a tank, which is absolutely ridiculous. I save so much money in fuel by just driving this car because I am filling up, you know, every 3 weeks. At most, I would say. If I only drove this car back and forth to work and that was it, I would probably be filling up every month, maybe even a little more than every month. So, number one, the fuel mileage is insane. If you do end up buying one of these cars, whether it be a Mark 4, 5, 6, or even a 7, you know, they only made the 7 in 2015. But if you buy any one of those TDIs, or even one of the older ones, I mean, expect to get amazing fuel mileage. Just maintain them right. Change your, you know, your fuel filter and do the tune-ups that it needs, and oil changes regularly to keep everything working nice and well. You're going to see amazing fuel mileage results. Like I said, me personally, at least, even in the wintertime in the cold where, you know, cars typically do end up consuming more fuel, I'm still seeing over 500 miles a tank. So it's amazing. When it came the fall and even towards the end of the summer, I was seeing over 600 plus miles every single tank. So it's amazing. That's the first thing that I absolutely adore and love about this car. Another thing, it was something that I wasn't huge on when I first got the car. I'm not going to lie, I was a little skeptical about it, but it's really grown on me, is the interior. Personally, now I love this two-tone black and tan interior. Let me show you guys so that you know what I'm talking about. So, obviously you have the black here with the tan. I love the way it goes together. I think there's just enough of each color to make the car look amazing. But, as you can see, the car's a little messy. Don't mind that. But I just love the two-tone black and tan interior. Now, when I first got the car, I was a little off about it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I didn't know if I liked it or if I hated it. And maybe if you asked me this maybe 4 or 5 months ago when I first got the car, I most likely would have said that I didn't like it. But driving the car every day and really being around it and sitting in it, I don't know. I feel like this black and tan gives the car kind of like a, I don't know, if luxury or high-end car kind of feel. I don't know. I feel like it gives it kind of a high-end feel to the interior. I don't know if that's really explaining it right, but it's just grown on me. I absolutely love the interior now. I think it's just, you know, enough black to contrast the tan. It looks super nice. I get compliments about it all the time. Actually, I would think that the reception for it would be more negative. More people like to just stay conservative with black or gray, something like that. But honestly, I don't know. I really love the way the interior looks now. It's really grown on me. So yeah, that's another thing that I love about this car is the interior. Looks really nice. Love the contrast. Let me know what you guys think about that, actually, because let me know if you guys like this whole two-tone thing, or you just prefer to just have a black interior. I mean, let me know what you think about it. I love it. If you hate it, let me know. That's fine. Another thing I love about this car is the space and the storage space. Now, it's not crazy how much you can fit in it, but it is enough. So, let me show you around the car, just so that you guys get an idea. But in the rear seat, like I said, it is a little dirty, but there is a lot of room back here. Ooh, the seatbelt looks a little... That was my OCD, sorry. But there's a lot of room back here, and even in the hatch, this car's filthy, by the way, and my trunk is filthy too, the rear, but I have a bunch of like tools and stuff in here, but you could fit a lot back here. You could probably fit a set of wheels, parts, you know, a bunch of tools, and if you put the seats down, well, let me put all the seats down for you guys so that you can see. But I gotta put the seat up, but anyways, you'll get the idea. You get this huge trunk space. If you put everything down and need to haul a bunch of stuff, you can fit a ton. Like I put at my job, I had to go pick up a Kubota tractor door, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with, you know, those Kubotas that are enclosed, but these are huge doors, and I was able to fit the box completely over to the top into the front of the car, and it fit with no problem, because my job told me to take one of their pickup trucks, and you know, I was like, you know what, I took it as advantage of just driving my car for some fun, picked it up, fit. So that's another thing that I'm loving about this car is how much storage space it has. Really can't complain when you can fit a bunch of stuff back here. So yeah, that's another thing. The storage space, wow, stuttered on my own words. Storage space, excellent. So guys, another thing that I love about this car is just how comfortable it is. This car is so damn comfortable. Like from the seats to just, you know, how much space is in the interior. Like this is a great car, in my opinion, at least to take, you know, road trips, or even if you have kids, you can easily fit car seats in the back. Like the car is super comfortable. And in every sense, like I said, the seats are comfortable. They're very soft. They're very cushioned. I'll tie that into the car having seat warmers. This is amazing having seat warmers, because actually, surprisingly, my Mini Cooper doesn't. So it's kind of nice. And even so, I switched out the seats in the Mini anyway. So like, even if it did have stock seat warmers, I still wouldn't be able to use it. But anyways, besides the point, daily use wise, amazing, comfortable. And this is going to tie into also like the storage space stuff. You could just fit a lot in here. People can travel comfortably. You can have a full, and even in the middle, you have a, if you see here, you have a middle seatbelt, and it's really not that cramped. So you can easily fit somebody back there. So you can carry 5 people in this car comfortably with no problem at all. So that's amazing. And plus, even for the rear passengers, let me put this down for you. You know, if you just carry 2 people in the back, you have, you know, like a little table, if you want to call it that, and then you got your cup holders back there for them. So it's just a very comfortable cruise ride that you get from this car. So, I mean, that's another thing I love. I love how comfortable and how convenient this car really is. Now, we're going to switch it up, and we're going to go to the performance side of things. So, not that this is a fast car, because by no means is this a fast car, but one thing that I really do love about it is just how the car performs. From the fuel mileage that you get from it, from what I mentioned before, to the performance you get, you really can't beat it. Like I said, by no means are these cars fast, but the low end torque that you get, and that like that push back into the seat that you feel when you put your foot down at low RPMs, it's amazing. Now, mind you, this is a diesel, it's a TDI, so it has no top end power. You know, you'll see most of your power from like maybe like 1600 RPMs, at most like 3000. And I say at most like 3000, because anything after that, you really get nothing. So But in that range, the car's super fun to drive. It pulls hard. These cars make, you know, good torque. With the tune and whatnot, you're making over 300 foot-pounds. Horsepower, I'm not really sure. It's probably like 170 to 180. But it's super fun to drive. The performance for a daily, you know, you get the reliability with the great fuel mileage, and you also get some fun driving it. And I know some people said that they wanted to just like see the engine bay to get an update, but I'll show that right now. As you guys know, performance-wise, I do have the KERMA, the tune from KERMA TDI, and pretty much it's just the InGen intake. This is the same, you know, intake install video that you guys have seen in the past, the one that I did, but it's the same thing. Nothing else really crazy to the car. So, and I know you guys haven't seen this car in a while, so I just did put the hood bra on and got the roof box up there with the OEM roof racks, so. Yeah, but that's another thing, guys. The performance, surprisingly, is really good. Car feels really peppy, really fun. So, that is another thing I love about the car. Alright, guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I think, ironically, that was 5 things that I love about the car. Now, there's a lot of stuff that I really like about this car, but I just picked the main things that I really notice on a daily basis about this car that I really like and that I really love. So, I don't want to go over like the tiny little things, you know, and the very fine details because I think that's just too extra. I just wanted to keep this very simple and as short as possible. So, yeah, guys, that's the stuff I love about my Mark 6 TDI Sportwagen. So, hopefully you guys enjoy. My next video is going to be over the things that I hate about this car. Now, that video is going to be a lot harder to make because I'm even thinking right now as I speak what I don't like about the car. And, I mean, I don't know. I'm going to have to really look around before making that video to really get a gauge of what I don't like about it because nothing immediate is really coming to my mind. So, yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoy. Let me know what you love about your TDI, whether, you know, like I said, it's a Mark 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatever your Mark, you know, even if it's a 1, 2, or 3, whatever TDI you have, let me know what you love about it. I know I love mine as a daily, and I can't wait to do more stuff to this thing because I know the car's going to be so much more fun. It's going to look so much better. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it lets YouTube know that I'm doing at least an okay job at making videos. But anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and have a good day.